If you want to set up the bedtime mode on Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. In the settings we're gonna scroll down and we need to choose digital wellbeing and parental controls. Scroll down again in order to find bedtime mode. Now here we can enable and disable the do not disturb mode for bedtime mode. We can also go next. Then we can set up when the bedtime mode should be enabled and disabled by tapping on days of the week. We can choose the time here. We can also make it work based on the charging time. So when you start charging after a selected time, then the bedtime mode will be activated. And we can press done. Besides that, we can also allow access to app usage and sensor data. So you can decide if the time zone history and motion light detection should be used during the scheduled bedtime. And we can once again press allow. And that's pretty much it. You can manually enable and disable the bedtime mode by tapping on this button here. There we go. We can also pause for 30 minutes while having it enabled. If you want to disable the schedule, then we can unfold the routine and you should be able to switch to none, for example. So that, like I mentioned, the bedtime mode won't automatically turn on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.